Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan 30th edition in gray with black leather and suede seating for 7, and it has 4 doors and a hatch. This is a 3.6 liter V6 front wheel drive engine. It's really easy to get into this van. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And this is also the venting back windows. Your driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You also have your lighting controls located here. There's power pedals, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls as well as hands-free dialing and cruise control. And there are toggles behind each side for both the media and the volume to be able to change that. When we start up the engine, you're going to see any important messages as well as the odometer reading, and you can actually toggle through that for trip A, trip B, and then kilometers, as well as the temperature outside and back around again. You have an automatic shifter, and in the center you're seeing your display screen, and so you've got your radio with AM, FM, as well as satellite, and then you can also load your CD or DVD in there with a push of a button, and then simply push it again and it'll go back down. You can toggle through the menu. You also have your auxiliary there, and below that is your climate control. You have dual climate control with AC, as well as front and rear defrost, and that is the climate control for the rear. Econ hazard lights, 115 volt power and traction control. There's a little cubby, and then in the other cubby there you're seeing the 12 volt. Down below is a bin with mesh, and you also have a couple of cup holders and more storage. As well, off to the side you're seeing a couple of cup holders, auto dimming rear view mirror, and as well your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and then if you push it part way you're going to see what's going on in the back, and then you have the controls for the doors as well as the hatch, and then the locks as well up there. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, driver's side fuel cap. The back hatch has a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and your backup camera is located just below the first D in Dodge and is viewed in your LCD screen in the front. When you're ready to open up the hatch, you can do so by double-clicking your fob. It powers it open and chimes for you to let you know it's opening up. And inside it's nice and roomy, and you're seeing the tabs numbered 1 through 4, and that allows you to bring down the seats or bring them back up. They go flat right into the cargo area, so that gives you even more room. Off to the side you have a bin, and when you're ready to close everything up, there's 2 handles, one right and left, but you can also push the button and it'll power it down. Again, it chimes to let you know that it's closing for you, and then you can lock everything up and walk away or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. The rear passenger doors are powered, so simply pull the handle and they will release and open for you. In the second row you have seating for 2 with captain seats, and they've got armrests. When you want to get this seat out of the way, simply pull the tab at the back. It'll flip down your seat and pop it out of the way. In the back you have seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You're also seeing bins and cup holders, and on the side there's USB, AV line in, 12 volt, as well as 110 outlet. When you're ready to bring the seat back down, simply push with one hand and then flip up the headrest. On the floor you've got carpeted mats, and underneath is where you can stow the seat right into the floor for extra cargo room. You've got grab handles in the body, making it easier to get in, and slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. Up above is a DVD player, and the remote is up there as well as climate control. You've also got hooks and lighting in the ceiling. Privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.